Hi guys, it's Brandy with Eternal Harvest Home Decor, and I'm really excited to show you guys today how I got this weathered distressed look using Tommy Art's DIY paint system. Now, I've asked them to create a kit that includes everything to give you this exact same look, everything that I used here, which they were happy to do, and I'm really thankful for. It will include a navy, a dove gray, a white, some neutral wax, and then a glossy top coat. Now, you will have everything in the kit that is needed to create this except for a paintbrush, a washcloth, and of course a piece to paint. I also want to ask you guys to subscribe below. If you enjoy these DIY tutorials and you're interested in more, go ahead and hit that and the little bell and you'll be notified every time I put out a new video. Go grab your DIY paint system and let's get started. Okay, you're going to want to start with a sanded and clean surface and your base coat. I chose navy blue for my base. So I'm using a 2-inch brush for my base coat. I'm going to go ahead and spread that all over the entire piece with this color. And don't worry if little pieces of wood are showing through, it will add to the look in the end. Now, if you have a piece like mine, which includes a lot of different grain patterns, you're going to want to go in with your brush in the direction of the grain. It'll help add to your piece in the end and give it the dimension that you're looking for. Once the base coat was dry, I use a 1-inch brush to spread the neutral wax all over the piece. You want to cover it really well with the wax. Once that's dry, you're going to reach for your second color. I chose Dove Gray. I wanted that to poke through at the end. You're going to use your 2-inch brush again and cover the entire piece with the second color over the wax. And again here, it does not need to be perfect. It's okay if the base color is showing through. It will add to the look in the end. Now once that's dry, you're going to grab your coarse sandpaper that comes with your kit and start scraping away the Dove Gray. This allows the blue navy to start shining through in the piece. And if you want a lot more blue as an end result, you're going to sand a little more during this process. Now go ahead and wipe away the dust from the sanding process, make sure it's good and clean, and grab your neutral wax again and your 1-inch brush. You're going to take that and cover the entire piece once again. Okay, once that's done, you're going to grab your last and final color, which is the white, and your 2-inch brush, and you're going to cover the entire piece with the white. You want really good coverage for this last coat of color. One of the things I love about this mineral paint is its thickness. It covers really well and is really smooth going on. Now once your piece is fully dry, you're going to take your coarse sandpaper once again and start scraping away that top white coat. This will allow the 2 colors below to shine through, scrapes away some of the neutral wax. And just keep sanding until it's reached the look that you really like. Now this does not come with your kit, but I had some lying around. I grabbed my steel wool and just went over the piece one time to get any little pieces of specks of paint or globs of paint that weren't quite sanded off correctly and smooth the piece down just a little bit. Then you're going to take your glossy top coat and your 1-inch brush and spread it all over the piece. It'll leave it nice and shiny and give it a good seal. watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. It's super simple. I'm really impressed with this paint system. Hope you guys like it just as much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that you get notified every time I come out with a new video.